ne Wodemaya wodidi asantefo atem yesi. On said ne wakọ obi anya ne hwe. Asantes are the most peaceful people in Ghana. Oko kan yesi ye manka. Se Wodemaya nsem hu na okeka fa asantefo ho. Wodemaya ni nsem hu na okeka fa asantefo ho. Se ye baabi no okọ sa party bia anka do mo de be ye no. Enso bia musi sante so na mudi sante atem. Sante so sore so oya na de pe tribalistic. Enso anwonafo ba ye je omotena anwonaga. Menuanom free isabi north ba ye je omotena alaba. Mosi nzongu. Obia na obia nkontokwa. Efritete. O swami ye no na nyini. Ye de anuanom na nyini. Ti asante ne tribalistic.
Nice GA.
You say asem penipo nipa na ya na pen ho asem. So hu ya. Emre bi atwam be ye video bi ka chew say Wodemaya video bi a oyeye. Eya ade a ye video betimi incite other tribes against Asante. And ema me kura me ka ko akire say Wodemaya nim no kure but onka. Oye obi a ono so di oye omo ka omo di ya wo makoma mu say Asante etse de etie. Eswatini ohini ya oba aya asantemam ni yewura bedi nsawosui eye bi mu ya wo nkram but omu shada show up efeki said you me okay but they are not. Wodemaya can countless times say opese omiti yewura wa can so many times say opese omiti yewura see video mama.
Shoot your shot please. Shoot your shot.
Your Excellency, my name is Wodemaya. I'm the one and only annoying village boy from Ghana who is on a journey to change the narratives of Africa by celebrating African excellence. Otumfo, I'm not from Kumasi, but I would love to see you and shake your hands. Thank you. I hope my request will be honored.
Good. And see, opese omiti yewura ni ade anche no be ye video e the insight say other tribes say ye ko Asante ko to slavery e the free Salaga straight Salaga o e the omo nantia from Salaga down to the coast e ko ton slaves nantia Asante na ton slaves, which is lies, which is blatant lies. On one kasemu onko Salaga onko fine bi out enko hu no kro say no kra na nya no kro, but yawaye odi woni mu ma Asante nti enu ntina okoye de okotwa Asantro kese asa de bae enam say otwa Asantro no ye blasted the pass on video ni flow anyi afei de Eswatini ine ne bae dina no odimika druo no e kwa ko performance ena Okatakyie Afrifa so bae de abefaya no, but before that mbese me draw back yes few months ago, I think it was, is it this year? Yeah, early this year ena yes sa video no o de yenko back na me fa nko ne ko hwe sa video ne bra ye ba na ya toa so with the ekoso no yenko bra.
So they make soup with this one.
Soup?
Yeah, the Northerners. They make soup with this one. And I think it makes sense because when you talk about, the transatlantic slavery, people think that the people that were taken to the Caribbean were mostly Ashantis. No, it was actually the Ashantis that were capturing people. So they were capturing people from the north of Ghana.
Other places
the
where...
Salaga market.
Yeah.
So they catch you from the Salaga side. They walk you down all the way to Cape Coast, where you take your last bath.
Wait, you walk all the way from the North African...
I tell you,
down, yes. Are you kidding me?
So that is why...
You are making it up. It's not true.
I'm not making it up. I'm not making it up. I'm not making it up.
Many
if you go to the north...
Yeah.
Okay.
Many of our African American brothers in the diaspora, in the Caribbean, we shouldn't think they are from the coastal areas.
No.
Salaga, up north, if we do tourism right, you will just see how they tracked, kidnapped, captured people all the way from present-day northern Ghana, hundreds of kilometers.
Even the north that I know.
Yes.
Yes, so sa video no na akokoshe no, so wo hwe sa video na o incite other tribes to this Asante na na ton slaves, which is lies. Si asem ni pa. So after no a obeka Asante we na wi se o prepare ni ho ko pay ru ansem achia. E na Okatakyie Afrifa so bebo video no ho chechim se wo uye obi a wo sire wani ba wo muna wutirim o mpa Asante nkoso ni Asante yi o tan Asante mi was what to akwan akoko monument e kira Asante for pot ya omo yede omo fighting for liberty e ma me be kan ye hwe video ma me.
Right?
Tell me.
Akompon is a champion from Ghana. Am I right?
Chimpong.
A champon. And I love your outfit. You look so Ghanaian more than me. You look so Ghanaian more than me. This is why are you wearing the Ghana kente in Jamaica?
Well, there's Ghana in Jamaica too. Right, and the Maroons hold that, right? A lot of our brothers and sisters came from Ghana. So a lot of the culture, the tradition of Ghana sits here in a compound. So we do wear kente as a part of our tradition.
That's awesome, man.
Yeah, man.
If you're Ghanaian, you better start wearing kente every day, man. You're in Jamaica, and I don't even have kente with me. But this village was established by the Maroons. Who was the captain of the village that time?
Captain Kojo. So Kojo instructed his brother Kompong to set up this village as sort of a safe haven, right, for the Maroons. And it was where they actually, planted a lot of their food and maintained their secret hiding spaces, from the British.
What is that one thing that you think the world doesn't know about the Maroons?
The Maroons, I would want for the world to know, were the true leaders of liberation, right? They set ablaze, right, the movement towards emancipation and independence of people who were oppressed at the time. So I think the Maroons stand as a symbolic representation of freedom and justice for all.
Do you know the motto of Ghana?
The motto of Ghana?
Yeah. It's freedom and justice. Did you know that?
There you go.
Freedom and justice is the
go.
motto of Ghana. So I guess they are descendants of Ghana, yeah? Because when you come in here, look at the names on the wall. We have Kojo, Kojo or Kujo is regarded as one of the great resistance leaders against the military plantation. Wow. How many Ghanaian names do you guys have in here?
So much. A whole lot.
A whole lot. What is your name?
My name?
Yeah.
So my name is not a Ghanaian name. My name is Richard.
Richard. Richard Kerry. Alright.
And even Corey. Was a given name. So, we've managed to do a lot of tracing of our family origins, and we're able to establish a lot of who we are. A lot of the history tells us who we are.
Do you guys have day names in here? The way Ghanaians do it, like if you're born on Monday, we have a name for you.
Right. Like
do you have that? Kwesi, Kojo. Yes. Like Kojo is born on Monday.
Monday, yes.
Can you come closer? What's your name?
Koto.
Koto. Sawa Koto. You know Koto is also from Ghana?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Blessing, man.
Yeah, I love your necklace. This is from Ghana?
Ghana, yeah. Somebody presented it to me.
Oh.
My son name is Yao, and my daughter name is Abena. Same Ghanaian name.
Your surname is Yao?
Yeah. Thursday and Tuesday.
Your son or your surname?
My son.
Oh, wow. I'm sorry, I don't understand the patois sometimes. Yeah, so your son name is Yao. And your daughter? Abena.
Tuesday and Thursday.
I was also born on Tuesday, so I'm called Kobina.
Yeah.
So glad to see that, man. That's amazing. This is Ghana representing in Jamaica.
Yeah.
That's amazing, man. Wow, that's so cool. Have you guys been visited by the ASANTEHENE?
Not as yet. We hope to have him here soon. Maybe you can.
Nah, I think we need to invite him. This is the place that ASANTEHENE needs to be.
Yeah.
I don't know how to address it, but should I say Your Excellency?
Your Highness.
Your Royal Highness, please, it's about time to visit the compound village in Jamaica, because to me, this is a real definition for your kingdom.
Yes.
Because these are like descendants of the ASANTES.
Yes.
They came and fought for the freedom of the people of Jamaica. Wow, that's amazing, man.
Yes, so Asantefo anas Asantefo fighting for liberty no one kasa de nani ko hu se say na tie but ena ma 20 okatakata nani enti after say bibia course we ya Eswatini mine no anas Eswatini mine nkasa hene e bai na obai no ana yeye no introduction no.
It's my pleasure to present to you a son of yours, a son of the soil, who very angry at the way the world views Africa, has decided on a path to tell the true story of Africa, the most often neglected part, the path of progress and of great peace. Ladies and gentlemen, you know him, you love him, and certainly can't do without him. Wodemaya is in the building. Please, a round of applause for the anointed village boy. When Donald Trump took a swipe at Lesotho, it was this young man who told a very compelling narrative about Lesotho. Ladies and gentlemen, thanks to his brilliance and his efforts, today that video in less than 4 months has come near about 1.5 billion views. A round of applause for Wodemaya. And such is the talent of Wodemaya right here in Ghana, telling African story. And such is Wodemaya is the talent shown right here in Ghana, talent shown right here in Ghana, telling African story. Over to you, Wodemaya.
No more cancer new no Okatakyie Afrifa say what? Say in some akeka nyina ope. You go to Okatakyie Afrifa, ye buy beto aso.
Ebia musi santie so. Na mudi santie atem. Santie so swade so oya na ade pe tribalistic. Enso anwonafo ba ye je omotena anwonaga. Menuanom free sabi north ba ye je omotena alaba. Mosi so ngu. Obia na obia nkontokwa. Every tete. O swami ye no na nyini. Ye de anuanom na nyini. Ti asante ne tribalistic na die. Ne Wodemaya wodidi asantefo atem yesi. Onse ne wokoi obi anya na hwe. Asantes are the most peaceful people in Ghana. Okaka yesi ye manka. Se Wodemaya nsem hu na okeka fa asantefo ho. Wodemaya ni nsem hu na okeka fa asantefo ho. Se ye baabi no okọ sa party bia anka do mo de be ye no. Enso okoi obi anya na hwe. Ye je ne fefefe so. That is the hospitality of Asantes. Enso da saso mo me ho ntoye. Da bia ye di atem. Afe wo ko yiwa no yeso wo na wo be yiwa no ye tribalistic. Mo asebe no no. Oti bi da be. Say ye didi watem. Nemom ko anu tum. Ne ye didi watem na aba na wo be yiwa no a wo ye tribalistic. Exactly. Na nim die ntro mo yesa. O ma weaponize no. Just to give you a year or more the leeway to operate. It wo mo ye obone pa. Ba ka set ya pe. You are tribalistic nice ama wa boto. No ma to aso. Ye mo bi de nya no kore. Wontimi nyusu anu as weapon.
Yes. So Okatakyie Afrifa also on also blasted here. Or blasted we ya. Ni ahe. Na Wodemaya abetro. Na Wodemaya abetro on the Twitter page. Obetro say, I rarely brag, but today I have to. No Asante blogger or vlogger has showcased the rich Asante culture and the beauty of Kumasi more than Wodemaya. And also abetro say, let's be real, deep down. You all wish to be like Wodemaya. Not sure kwasi asem. So say no better, not just o shares ama Okatakyie Afrifa. So obia no one more person wey obi authority asante da. Never. Okaseti asante no matter who you are. Nobody would like to be like you. Sana asem ti asem ni pa. Enti no ebia wadwen yourself Okatakyie Afrifa person yet say wa nya no kre. Nti wo de ohwe nsem we a me say ya wo a hye nipa ne bebre mu no odwene ho a won ti ase eswati ni man ne ba ye nkotie attack amanfo ede ko ye president Mahama so say adentina wama kwan say adentina wama kwan ama eswati ni ohene no akọ yewura ho meanwhile so nya president ne so nko eswati ni man hene nankasa no ono ankasa oti ni krom no o pe yewura ho anchen abadada ono ane kan asem wati ase ono ane kan nya obi ne ka hye na no wo de yenko tie sade eswati ni man hene na e ka che president say opese ohu yewura ni ntimra.
Go and visit the Ashanti kingdom to see the king there. I've seen him long time. The last time I saw him was when we were in Great Britain, attending the coronation of His Majesty King Charles. Yeah. So we had a good talk there. So I am certainly looking forward to see him there. He paid me a visit to Eswatini a long time. Yeah. And I also promised him that I will return the visit some stage. And I'm so happy that finally the time has come for us to return that visit, so we can also see him over there. I was listening to you.
good eno na akotie no na afa yenkotie guy na o kasa say adentina president ama Eswatini ohene na kwako hu yewura yentimra.
Mr. President, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, there's something going on in this country, and you of all people made me angry. In this country, Ghana, that we live in, are some tribes more essential or more important than other tribes in this country? Hell no. We all came together to vote for you to become the president of the Republic of Ghana. So you must give equal rights or equal treatment to all the other tribes. You don't have to make other tribes or ethnic groups feel like, you know, they are less of human or they are less important people. The king of Eswatini came to Ghana to pay you a visit. What does it mean? It means he, the king, paid a visit to Ghanaians. After interaction with the president, the king, from your mouth, all you said is, you are happy he has come, and after that you send him to go and greet his brother in Ashanti region, who is the Kumasi paramount chief or the Ashanti paramount chief. I know Ghana is not a monarchy state. We practice chieftaincy system. So therefore my chief or my paramount chief is called Togbisri, or excuse me to say Awomefia for that matter. We have the Yana, we have the Yagbongura of the northern regions. You don't make us feel like we are less of human. When this man came, you should have let him visit. If truly the visit is genuine, you should have let him visit some of the paramount chiefs in this town, or I mean all the 16 corrupt regions that we've created. You should have let him visit all the paramount chiefs in all the 16 regions. If truly the visit was genuine, why Ashanti region? Is Ashanti region so special than other tribes in Ghana? Are the Ashantis more important than other ethnic groups in Ghana? Give everyone equal rights and equal treatment. You are the president of Ghana. I voted for you to become the president. My votes counted before you won over 1 million votes. Ghana belongs to all of us. Nobody should be treated higher or better than any other tribes.
Yes, so okay, what time that's so shaman for akumbesi na. Me say me say I am for a time I shaman for akum no dwene wa wontiase. A time na ordin. So abusu feel free now so chire wadwe all comment section. Em say Wodemaya pese won so twetwe ne ho wura asem se nan se no kura mu se ne din aba fom. To pese on kika ne ho. Nti o pese o ka ne ho dia na o de be fa asante so. Nti abusu feel free now so chire wadwe all comment section ho. Na me kwa asema me dija oni say na yewura e kan ye. Ebra o man speech e odi na so say either we begin to focus and build our heaven or we perish in our own hell. Either we begin to focus and build our own heaven or we begin to perish in our own hell. You know, as I'm all kind of not just say, Osha. It's either say Yanka say build a heaven that, and I say, but Yanka say you ever perish with your own hell. No credit, and I hear the two down. I was saying, they can message me a subscriber to the share. Said, I may drop video be on Sabbath. Me, that's all. Share me, Macron.